So she has approved the gas valve replacement. With the gas flow arrow. We gotta make sure all these orifices are inside. Open the gas back up. What? 24 volts. What happened first? Oh, because I had air from all the way from here into here, all the way through here, so it didn't have enough time to stay open and leave that air out. Gas valve's on. You see this is building up. We're looking for 3.5 inches of water column. We're just going to go counterclockwise in order to make this go down to about 3.5. It doesn't take much. I'm going to take a screenshot being at 3.5 inches of water column. Use our Allen key to close the inlet port. Alright. So we've got a new gas valve. Gas pressure set to 3.5 inches of water column outgoing. And then we go and turn this back on. So now we have gas flowing to the gas valve, and it should start up immediately. It opens up beautifully. Nice pretty blue flames. Alright, another one completed. Thanks for watching.